What up, people? Jay here. Probably see me in a completely different shirt. So this video is gonna be all over the place. So you probably see me in multiple shirts, multiple different views. I'm trying to get this thing rocking and rolling. We're on the home stretch of this particular scooter. So we're gonna get it done. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that follow button, notification bell, all that good stuff. Yeah, so let's jump into it. Let's get it done.
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call it.
Here are 72 spoke aluminum wheels. Tire is assembled, hopefully not to the point where it busts up. Got these pretty cool little dice caps. All right, tires and wheels are assembled, as you can see. All right, so last time I put on the bent forks. Now these guys were a little too bent. Not that this was a defect or anything, it being too bent is just the way I bought them because I thought it was gonna look great. But come to find out, my front end of the scooter frame was like 2 inches from the ground, and you add a 200 plus, it's like 2 inches from the ground. It's like 2 inches from the ground. So you add a 200 plus guy on a scooter that's like 2 inches from the ground. Oh, hey doggy. 2 inches from the ground. Yeah, you're gonna be scraping. I rolled out my driveway and I was like scraping. So Facebook Marketplace found a guy selling a new fork, straight fork. Well, still bent, but not as much of a, I guess it's a rake. That's what you call it. Is that the proper term for it? The rake was a little at a different angle. Don't quote me on that term. So this is what I bought off of him, $75, you know? So now we are about 3 inches from the ground. Yeah, so it's a little over 3 inches now. About 3.5 going on 4 inches from the ground right now. My kickstand obviously had to be modded. I'll show you a quick video of that. All right, so here's what we're gonna try. I'm going to pull this off and I'm gonna shave this, cut this pipe down about maybe 2 inches. We'll go 1.5 inches initially just to see how we'll be looking. So, yeah. Sorry I don't have my little tripod handheld contraption with me, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna chop it down with this pipe cutter. If you guys don't have one there, I don't know, Harbor Freight, Lowe's, Home Depot, you can get them there. If you want to use an electrical power tool, you could do that too, but pretty much the object of this is just clench it down and just turn it in a circle and boom, you're done. Let's see if I could prop this up and you guys can see. Here we go. Chopped off piece. We'll see how that works. Fenders that I previously painted here, as you can see, I dropped it, scuffed it up, but they don't fit quite right on here with the 2¼ inch tires that I bought. The new tires that I got on here, they're a little beefier than the stock tires, so these fenders are like rubbing up against the tires, so that's not a good thing. Yeah, ooh, sorry. So yeah, new fenders, because those fenders were rubbing up against the tires, because these tires are a little bit beefier than the ones that came with the scooter. So I'm gonna get new fenders, fender braces for the front and back. What else? Ooh, let's focus. What else do I need? I'm going to, of course, like I said, I'm going to take you along a little journey of me kind of doing some scroll filigree work on the deck. I'm playing with the idea of getting a sissy bar just to see how it'll fit. If I could wrap it on here, somewhere around here. I'm not sure how it'll work with this back piece being so tall. That's going to be interesting. We'll see. I don't know yet. I don't know quite yet how I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'll reverse it. I wonder how it would look reversed if I put it here and have it came this way, because it pops up a little bit. So we'll see how that turns out. Alright, so a few little issues that came up while I was doing this. Obviously, your fender set, it's gonna have these little indentations for, you know, made for bicycles, not really for scooters, so it's not gonna be a complete smooth groove. But as you can see, as I was applying that chrome vinyl trim to it, had a little, you know, buckling, trying to mold to that particular curvature. But all in all, pretty good, pretty decent. Another little hiccup I had trying to put this fender on. You can see my paint got a little jacked up right there. Yeah, right there and right there was brushing up against the bottom of this stem. So I'm gonna have to like sand it out, smooth it, wet sand it a little bit, and then put another clear coat on it. Hopefully I don't jack it up even more. But front trim came out pretty good. That's nice and smooth. But here's the thing, since I've never assembled one quite like this before, my wheel is rubbing up against my fender brace right here. So right up in this little area here. I'm gonna mess around with it, but if anybody has some idea on how I could fix that, or how that should look like without me, you know, jacking something up, maybe I'll have to reorder how I got this set in here. I don't know. Maybe it'll need to be staggered a little bit, like fork, fender brace, fork, fender brace. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Here we go. So far. And appreciate you guys once again for joining me in this journey. Woo. Stressed out. Yeah, follow me, Instagram and TikTok. Put them both the same name as the YouTube channel. Hey, it's J_80. You can follow me there. Follow along with this build. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell so you can see next time I do this here. So you don't be all in my nose like this, but next time I do this here, upload another video. Yeah, there you go. There you have it. Appreciate you guys. Have a good day. Talk to you soon. Deuces.